Hello, this video will walk you through the steps of adding courses during the swap and drop or late registration period. Please note, this process does not apply to courses with an existing waitlist. Courses with waitlist cannot be added through self-service using the Add Authorization function. If you are interested in a course with an existing waitlist, you will need to contact Ms. Carolyn Howell in the Arts and Sciences Dean's Office at chowell@tcl.edu. Only courses with available seats qualify for Add Authorization. Course sections that are full are not eligible to be added during the late registration period. Also, you cannot be added to any courses that have unsatisfied prerequisite requirements using the Add Authorization function. Add Authorization is only valid during the swap and drop or late registration period. If an instructor grants you an Add Authorization for a course during this period and you do not complete the registration process in the time frame allowed, the Add Authorization becomes invalid and you are no longer eligible to add the course. Also, please note, Add Authorization is granted at the discretion of the instructor and, once granted, can be revoked by the instructor at any time for any reason. To add eligible courses during the swap and drop period, log into your self-service account, which can be accessed through the TCL homepage. Once you have logged in, choose the Student Planning tab. On the next screen, you will click Go to My Progress. This will show you a list of all of the program requirements for the program that you are pursuing at TCL. Scroll down until you find the course that you are interested in adding and click on the link for the course. If the course is not listed in the links below, you can search for the course by using the course search option. Please note, any courses that you select to add that are not listed in your program requirements or that do not satisfy a requirement in your program will not be covered by financial aid. Click on the course that you are interested in adding, and then from the next screen, in the filters on the left, you will select the current term. Once your term has been selected, click View Available Sections for the course. Scroll down to find the section that you are interested in adding. Please be aware that if there are no seats available in the course, the number here will be 0, and that means that the course is not eligible to be added at this time. Also, if the course says that it has a wait list, it will be noted here. If a course has a wait list, it is also not eligible to be added at this time using the Add Authorization function. Once you have selected the section of the course that you would like, click Add Section to Schedule. On the pop-up window that appears, take note of the instructor's email address on this screen, as you will need to email the instructor for permission to complete the registration process for the course. Once you have noted the email address for the instructor, click Add Section. Repeat this process for all courses that you are interested in adding during the swap and drop or late registration period. At this point, you must email the instructor of each course that you want to add to request to be added to the course you have planned. If the instructor approves for you to be added to the course, you will receive an email to your TCL email address informing you that you have been granted Add Authorization. This email will include basic instructions on how to add the course. Once you receive the Add Authorization email, log back into your self-service account, select the Student Planning tab, and click the Plan and Schedule option. The course that you requested to be added to will now be labeled Authorized for Add. Simply click the Register button and the status should change to Registered. If the status of the course does not change to Registered and it is still during the swap and drop or late registration period, please contact the Office of Student Records at srecords@tcl.edu. Please remember that the dates for the swap and drop or late registration period are published in the registration guide available on the TCL website.